example, I'm manifesting a remote marketing role that pay me 75,000 euros or dollars and value work-life balance. I'm calling it in leadership position where my ideas are heard and respected. I am attracting a job in healthcare that allows me. Write down in the comments. When you declare it publicly, you are putting that energy in the world. Hello, beautiful souls. If you've been laid off or searching for a new job, thinking about a career change, or coming back after a long break, this video is for you. If you're new here, I'm your host, Manifesting Energy. This is where we talk about manifesting the life you deserve through energy, intention, and action. Today, we are manifesting something powerful, your next job opportunity. Whether you were recently laid off, you're ready for a career change, you're returning after a sabbatical, parental leave, or you are just ready to step into something that aligns with who you are now, this video is for you. Because manifestation is not magic words. It's matching your vibration and moving with intention. Manifestation equals energy plus action. Everything begins with energy. That's only half the equation. Manifestation is about aligning your energy, believing you are worthy of opportunity. Second, taking inspired actions, actually doing things that open doors. Think of it like this. You can't manifest a garden by just visualizing the flowers. You have to plant seeds, water them, give them sunlight. The universe meets you halfway when you show up. So, what does taking action look like when manifesting a job? Let's get specific. Action. Step 1. Update your resume and LinkedIn. Don't just update it, infuse it with confidence. Write about your accomplishment like you're proud of them, because you should be. Action. Step 2. Reach out. Message former colleagues. Connect with people in your industry. Let people know you are open to opportunities. Networking isn't desperate, it's strategic. Action. Step 3. Apply with intention. Don't just spam applications. Apply to the roles that genuinely excite you. Even if you don't check every box, let them see your potential. Action. Step 4. Upskill. Take that free course, watch that tutorial, learn that software. Show the universe you're serious about growth. Action. Step 5. Create a daily practice. Spend 10 minutes each morning visualizing yourself in that role, feeling the confidence, the satisfaction, the financial security. Then take one action that day towards your goal. You're not waiting for a job, you're calling in your next opportunity while actively building the bridge to meet it. The manifestation affirmation. Now, let's set the energy. I want you to say these affirmations out loud. If you can, feel these words deeply in your body and soul. So, right now, take a deep breath with me. Inhale and exhale, and repeat in your mind, I'm ready for the next opportunity that matches my growth and my joy. Repeat after me and really feel these words. I'm worthy of a job that values my skills and respects my time. The right opportunity is making its way to me right now. I trust my journey even when I can't see the full path. I'm capable, qualified, and ready for my next chapter. Doors are opening for me in expected and unexpected ways. I release the fear of rejection and embrace the power of possibility. Every application I send, every connection I make is bringing me closer. I'm not desperate, I'm deliberate. I'm choosing my future. Money flows to me easily through work that fulfills me. I celebrate every small win on this journey because they matter. My skills are valuable. My experience is unique. My perspective is needed. I am exactly where I need to be, and I'm moving towards where I want to be. Now, take a deep breath. Feel that energy. You just shifted something in your reality. Now, addressing different situations. Maybe you are coming back after a long break. You are worried about gaps in your resume. Hear this: your journey is not a gap, it's a chapter. You learned, you grew, you survived. That's strength. Maybe you were laid off, you're feeling rejected. Listen, that job wasn't your final destination. It was a stepping stone. Something better is waiting for you. Maybe you are burnt out in your current role and scared to leave. Understand this. Staying in a place that drains you is scarier than stepping into the unknown. You deserve to feel energized by your work. Maybe you are pivoting to a completely new industry. Embrace this. Your unique background is your superpower. You bring fresh perspective that people who have been in that industry forever can't offer. Maybe you're fresh out of school with little experience. Know this: your hunger to learn, your fresh ideas, and your adaptability are exactly what many employers are looking for. Wherever you are right now, you are not behind, you are not late, you are not unqualified. You are in process of becoming, and that's exactly where you should be. Engagement and community manifestation. Now, here where you come in. I want to create a manifestation ripple effect in the comments. Write down your job manifestation. Make it specific, make it real. Use present or future tense like it's already happening. For example, I'm manifesting a remote marketing role that pay me 75,000 euros or dollars and value work-life balance. I'm calling it in leadership position where my ideas are heard and respected. I am attracting a job in healthcare that allows me to make a real difference. I'm stepping into creative role that celebrates my unique vision. I'm receiving multiple job offers and choosing the one that feels aligned. Write down in the comments. When you declare it publicly, you are putting that energy in the world. And when we all support each other's manifestations, that's when the magic amplifies. I will be reading every single comment and holding space for your dreams. Let's build each other up. Go support someone else's manifestation in the comments too. What you give out, you get back. Closing. You are capable, you are worthy, you are magnetic. Your dream job is already aligning with your energy. Remember, manifestation without action is just daydreaming. Action without belief is just exhausting. But when you combine both, that's when you become unstoppable. You have got this. Your dream job is out there and it's looking for you too. Keep showing up. Keep trusting the process. And remember, the universe moves fastest when you move with faith and action. The universe rewards those who shows up for themselves. So commit to taking one action today. Update that profile, send that message, apply to that job, take that course, whatever feels aligned, do it today. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more manifestation content. Share this with someone who needs to hear it today. You never know whose life you might change. I believe in you. Now it's time for you to believe in you too. Now go out there and claim what's already yours. I will see you in the next one.